everyone, I am Sangeeta. I am working as assistant professor at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design and Data Analytics. Here I am going to explain about data model. So here first what we have to know about data. What is data? Data is a raw fact which is stored in the computer memory and used by the users as the output. So what is information? Information is nothing but collections of data is called informations. Here what is database? Database is a interrelated data is called database. Here data model. So data model is the concept that can be used to describe the structure of the database. Here we have to describe the structure of the database. We can define the elements and relationship between the data elements. Here in data model, we can show how data is stored, connected, accessed and updated in the database management system. Here we have categorized the data model in 3 levels. So that is first one is high level, that is conceptual data model, and then logical data model. Third one is physical data model. So first one is conceptual data model. This is the high level data model. So it is organized view of database concept and their relationship. So the purpose of creating conceptual data model is so we have to establish the entities and their attributes and then relationship. So high level data models is close to way of many users perspective data. So for example, here conceptual high level data model. So musician creates the music, so fans can buy the musics. So this is the high level data model. And then logical data model. In logical data model, the structure of the data elements to set in the relationship between them, the logical data model, and adds further information to the conceptual data model. So here the example is, if you want, if you are asking some songs, hearing some songs, we can see the whether the song is mp3 or which format it is. Yes, if you are watching movie, we can see the we can see the format of the movie, whether it is mp4, otherwise whether it is movie or what and all VLC mode, this and all. So if you are learning some reading some books, we can see the chapter wise. So if you are storing some data in your computer, we can see the path of the address. So this is a logical data model. And then physical data model. In the physical data model, we can see the data specific implementation of the data model. It offers database abstractions and helps generate the schemas. It is because of richness of metadata offered by the physical data model. The physical data model also helps in the visualizing data structures by replacing database columns, keys, constraints, indexes, triggers and other databases features. So here we can store in the form of files, record certain other data structures. It has all the informations of the format in which the files are present and structure of the databases. So here we have data models in DBMS have 10 models: hierarchical model, network model, entity relationship model, relational model, and object oriented model, object relational data model, flat data model, semi-structured data, associative data model, and context data model. So here hierarchical data model. In hierarchical data model, we have some features: one-to-many relationship, parent-child relationship, deletion problem, and pointers. Here we have to see the example of hierarchical model. For example, first one is shoe. So shoe have we can derived to women shoe and men shoe. Women shoe we can derive high heels and bellies. So men shoes we can derive sports shoe and knickers. So here we have some advantages. It is very simple to traverse the tree like structures. So disadvantages, complex relationships are not supported. So here network model. In network model we have some features: ability to merge more relationship, many paths we have, circular linked list we can do in a network model. Here so college have library have some students. So students will study in the CS department. CSE department has students have library access, library in the college. So this is network model. And then entity relationship model. In entity relationship model, we have three components: entities, attributes, and relationship. So entity is nothing but real world thing. Attributes, what and all in real world things have some feature. சாமி எத்தனை நிமிஷம் பேசியிருக்கிறேன், 5 நிமிஷம்.